Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are HTML tables and how they are used. HTML tables provide a row and column structure for web developers to organize and display data, as you can see in this preview. In HTML, a table consists of various components and tags like table, th, tr, td, etc., as you can see in this code. The main tag for HTML tables is the table tag, which encloses all other tags, as you can see in this code. The table cells are defined by the TD tag. Each cell has an opening TD tag and a closing TD tag. The content between the opening and closing TD tags represents the data within the table cell, as you can see here. A table cell can contain a variety of HTML elements, such as text, images, lists, links, other tables, and more. A table row begins with an opening TR tag and ends with a closing TR tag. The table rows contain the TD and TH tags, as you can see in this code. You can include as many rows as needed in a table. However, ensure that each row contains the same number of cells. An HTML table may need header cells in some cases, which can be defined by using the th tag instead of the td tag, as you can see in this code. By default, text within the th tags is bold and centered, but you can modify these styles using CSS. For example, you can align the text to the left of the cell by using the below CSS, as you can see in this preview. This was all about HTML tables. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.